What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. This year there's been so many amazing releases of Hot Wheels cars, but let's not forget how to play with our Hot Wheels cars, and that's with Hot Wheels playsets. Today I'm going to go over a list of a bunch of really cool Hot Wheels playsets that you can purchase right now. For my shopping needs, I use Amazon.com, but most of the items that I'm going to show you today, you can also purchase at Walmart, eBay, or Target, and a number of other different stores. Everything that we go over today, I'm going to link in the description box below, and they are affiliate links, which means that if you purchase from those links, I do make a small commission off of that, and that just helps me here at Peak Time Racing make more amazing, cool videos for you guys. So if you do purchase off my links, I just want to give a big thank you to you. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look and get started. We'll first start off at the top right here, and I'm going to go from the order of the cheapest items all the way up to the most expensive items. So the first one we have is the Hot Wheels 4-lane Elimination racetrack, and I specifically do have this set, and this was actually the first Hot Wheels racetrack that I ever purchased. And this one, what happens is you can actually race 4 cars from the top. They race down, the 2 slowest cars get eliminated, then they go to the bottom, and the 2 fastest cars are at the bottom, and the slowest one of those 2 will get bumped out and eliminated as well, and the 1 remaining car surviving will get to the finish line. It's a super cool, fun playset. I highly recommend this one. It also does fold up very, very nice and small, so you can travel around with it. So you can see a couple of different pictures. There's a little bit of a picture on how it works. Very, very cool, awesome playset. It currently retails for $19.99, and I just want to remind you, a lot of the prices that you will see in this video do fluctuate. So if you click in the links in the description below and the price is either higher or lower, that's just because at the time of this video, this is what the actual price is. So don't be scared if you see a price where it's maybe $14.99 or $29.99. The price do fluctuate. All right, let's go on to the next one. The next one we have is the Hot Wheels Track Builder System Race Crate. And this is another one that I have, and I picked this one up this year. And this one's super cool because you can actually arrange it into 3 different settings. So there's one with the actual loop right there. You can have a little jump, and then you can actually have it straight down as well into just a racetrack. It is a little bit finicky putting together, so make sure you get your parent to help you set it up. The race crate is currently priced at $41.97, which is actually the cheapest that I've ever seen it. And this one does fluctuate all the way from $41 to about $65. All right, let's move on to the next one. The next one we have is the Hot Wheels Corkscrew Crash Set. And this one is super nice. It's got 3 loops in it for cars to loop around in, and it is motorized as well. The cool thing about this one is you can actually put multiple cars in this playset, and then they crash and spin and jump off the track. Just makes for so much fun, and it's a little bit odd to set up, so I would recommend again having a parent help you set it up, but you will have hours and hours of fun with this playset, and it's super, super cool. So check this one out. Currently priced at $44. Looks like it's on sale from $49.99. And again, this one will fluctuate a little bit, so check out the link in the description below. You can find out what the current pricing is. Next up, we've got the Hot Wheels Crisscross Crash Set, and you guys have seen this one on my channel. I've done a lot of different videos with this set, and it's really loud, I will tell you that. So if you have a cat or a dog, my dog absolutely hates this thing. It's just too loud. She wants to go and chase cars. The sound just makes her go crazy. So make sure you have it in a place where you don't mind making it a bit of sound, because it's got basically 4 motors inside of it that just spin around, and they loop the cars all through, and you can have them go right through the middle of the track and crash each other. So you can have really, really cool, fun tournaments with this crash set. I definitely would highly recommend this one. Super, super fun playset. This one currently priced at $49.99, and this one I've seen as low as $39.99. It goes all the way up to about $59.99. So $49.99, pretty average price for it right now. Check that box in the description below, and you can check out what the current pricing is. We will move on to our next one, the Hot Wheels Ultimate Gator Car Wash, and this one actually uses real water. So you actually have to pour in real water into it, and it's got this little gator here, and it goes right through here, splashes, and then the gator tries to actually catch the car. Really, really fun playset. It's all motorized as well. Multiple cars will go inside of it. It does take a little bit to set up. This one currently priced at $58.88, so not a bad price for it. This one I've seen as high as $80, so at $58.88, it's a pretty good bargain. But again, check the box in the description below for that current price. And we move on to my all-time favorite Hot Wheels playset. You guys have seen this one on my channel many times, and to this day, all the time. It is the Hot Wheels Sixlane Raceway, perhaps the most popular Hot Wheels set ever made. And as you can see, I don't think there's a lot of explaining I need to do. There's a specific 6 cars that go on there. We've got the lever in the middle, just pushes that down. The cars race down the track, and we've got the electronic finish line where it will tell you what the winner is. You can extend this track like I have with mine as long as you really want. The only thing I would say, if you extend it too long, you will need to raise the bottom up right here so that the cars can get a little bit more momentum going down the track. And this one does fold up, but I wouldn't really recommend moving it around. Kind of set it up, let it sit there. It's a pretty big play set, but you will love this set. I have played with this set for years and I've not gotten bored of it. It is by far the best Hot Wheels playset you can buy. And at $98.88, I would say that's a pretty fair price for it. I have seen these ones go down as little as $50 up in Canada where I live, but down in the US, I've seen them go for around the $80 mark is the cheapest, and they go all the way up to about $300. It really depends on the time of year that you want to purchase them. And I will say that since Toys R Us has closed down, they were the actual supplier of these playsets. They are becoming a little bit harder to pick up. So if you really want one, $98.88 on Amazon right now, I would say that's a really good fair price for it. Pick them up before they stop making them and they're gone forever. And next up for the playset, we've got the Hot Wheels Super Ultimate Garage. And this is a ginormous playset. It fits tons and tons of cars, and more or less it also lets you store your cars. So if you have, like, say 60 or so Hot Wheels cars and you want to display them on your actual wall or anything, and you don't have anything to display them, get this playset. You can store tons of cars in this playset, and it's also a really cool set to actually have cars go down and spin around. It's like a little elevator thing that they spin around in right at the top right here, and then it's got these little ramps and stuff where the cars go down. There's different pieces that can connect right to it at the bottom. Super cool playset. It is really big, I will say though, so if you have to have a lot of room to actually put this on, but this would look really cool next to the Hot Wheels Sixlane Raceway. You can use this to kind of store your cars and play with your cars and then race them down the Hot Wheels Sixlane Raceway. It is quite expensive at $169.99, but trust me, it's worth it. It's a huge playset. You'll get tons and tons of playtime out of this, and it's actually quite easy to set up. So check it out. $169.99 right now. It does fluctuate. I've seen these in store for $250, so at $169, it's not a bad price at the moment. We'll move on now to some cars. You have to have Hot Wheels cars if you're going to get these play sets. So we'll go on to some $947. We've got some Hot Wheels 9 packs, and I've seen these ones in store, and that's the same price. So if you can get them on Amazon or you get them on eBay at the $10 mark, just get them there. It's so much easier. Get them shipped to your door. And we'll go on to this one right here, the Hot Wheels display case. You guys have seen this one on my channel as well. I love this thing. It's literally the best display case that I've ever seen from Hot Wheels. I mean, that's one thing that Hot Wheels didn't really recognize is the collectability side of Hot Wheels. There's a lot more collectors now, I believe, than there are just people just playing with cars. So the fact that they made this actual display case where you can display your favorite Hot Wheels cars, it just makes it really cool. It's really easy to use. At $43.82 right now, it's a great deal. And this one has gone all the way up to $100 on Amazon, and on eBay people are flipping these for like $150. So if you can grab one before they're sold out at $43, it literally makes the best gift for Christmas or birthday or anything like that. So a great piece. I know it's not a play set, but it's definitely something I would recommend. I will link that in the description below so you can check out the current pricing of that. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I want you guys to write in the comments down below which is your favorite Hot Wheels playset. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will catch you guys on the next one. Happy shopping.